Alright, so this is problem number 4 for the 5 problems of extra credit for exam 4, and it is a problem from exam 4, and it reads as follows. More particles are produced in the following reaction. And then it gives us plutonium-241 yields blank plus americium-241. And basically what it's asking us is, what other particle is going to be yielded after the reaction occurs? And to do this, to solve the problem, it's very simple. All we have to do is first subtract the atomic mass of plutonium minus the atomic mass of americium. They're both 241, so that's going to give us 0. And then we're going to subtract the atomic number of americium from the atomic number of plutonium. That's going to give us -1. And this is telling us that the particle that we have present that is gonna appear after the reaction of plutonium occurs is going to be something that has little to no atomic mass, and that's why we have a 0 up here, and something that has a atomic number that's -1. And this is basically describing an electron. This is the composition of an electron. And as we see here, we don't have any answer that tells us that an electron. However, we do know from a book and from class that beta particles are high-speed electrons or positrons that are made by radioactive decay. And here they're giving us a radioactive decay equation or reaction for plutonium, so it makes sense that it would yield a beta particle or a high-speed electron. So our answer is C, beta particle. Thank you.